Hello everyone, welcome back to 2-Minute Tips with the Qualtrics Experience community. Let's get started. So you've created your first Qualtrics survey, but you're asking yourself, how do I add an introduction or instructions to the survey? To answer this question, we'll be focusing on the 3 most commonly used question types today. These are text graphic questions, multiple choice, and text entry. Let's go to our survey and begin adding a question. You can do this by scrolling all the way to the bottom of the survey and clicking the blue button that says Add New Question. When you click this button, you will see all of the question types available for you to use. To add instructions or an introduction to your survey, you will want to choose the text/graphic question type. You will click where it says Click to write the question text, and a text box will appear where you can start writing your introduction. Please note that there is a size limit of 20,000 characters, so if you go over this limit, you will receive an error message. If you need more space to write, I recommend using multiple text graphic questions and splitting up your text. In most cases, it is best practice to have no more than 3 text graphic questions. I personally prefer to use 2 questions and have the first one be an introduction or a welcome, and the second one be instructions or survey overview. Remember that we want to keep this as brief as possible so that survey takers understand what to do quickly and don't get confused or bored. In this case, I'll welcome the survey taker and briefly explain what the survey is for and how their responses will be used. After you finish writing, if you want this to be the first thing a respondent sees when they open your survey, you will want to hover over the question and then click and drag it all the way to the top of the survey. Another way to move the question is to click the 3 dots that appear when you hover over the question and then click Move Question and select where you want the question to be moved. The other 2 main question types you will likely use are multiple choice and text entry. Multiple choice allows you to ask a question with a traditional list of answer choices, or select box, or drop-down menu. This can all be adjusted via the format section of the question. Text entry, not to be confused with text graphic, allows you to gather feedback from your respondent by displaying a text box. You can also choose the size of the text box. However, when you're making these changes, please note that sometimes they won't be seen on the survey builder, but will always be seen on the preview and published version of the survey. Here's a quick preview to show you how the survey looks to your respondents. And that's it. Thank you for learning about question types with me today. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below or make a post on the Experience community. I hope to see you there.